Most people who try to learn a new language fail. Not because they're not smart enough, not because the language is too hard, but because they try to do too much, too fast, and burn out before the results arrive. They start with enthusiasm. They download 3 apps, buy a textbook, and commit to studying for an hour every day. The first week goes well. The second week gets harder. By the third week, they've missed a few days. By the second month, they've quit entirely. The problem isn't the goal. The problem is the approach. Atomic habits, the practice of tiny, consistent actions compounded over time, offer a better way. Instead of trying to learn Spanish in a month, you commit to learning a little bit every day. The daily action is so small it feels almost pointless. But over months and years, those small actions produce something remarkable: fluency. Here's how to apply atomic habits to learning Spanish, step by step. Number 1. Shrink the commitment until it's impossible to resist. The biggest mistake is committing to too much. I'll study for an hour every day. This sounds disciplined, but it's unsustainable. When you're tired or busy, an hour feels impossible. So you skip it. Then you feel guilty. Then you quit. The solution is to shrink the commitment to something tiny. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, even 1 minute. 1 minute of Spanish is always possible. And here's the secret. Once you start, you usually continue. But even if you don't, you've still won. You've kept the streak alive. Number 2. Focus on one tiny skill at a time. Learning Spanish is not one skill. It's a collection of many skills. Vocabulary, grammar, listening, speaking, reading, writing. Trying to learn all of them at once is overwhelming. Instead, focus on one thing at a time. Spend a week learning 10 new words. Spend the next week practicing introductions. Spend the next week listening to short dialogues. Each small skill builds on the previous one. You don't need to become fluent in a month. You just need to be 1% better today than you were yesterday. Number 3. Use habit stacking. Attach your new Spanish habit to something you already do every day. After I pour my morning coffee, I will study Spanish for 5 minutes. After I brush my teeth at night, I will review 10 vocabulary words. The existing habit becomes the trigger for the new one. You don't need willpower. The coffee reminds you. The toothbrush reminds you. Number 4. Design your environment for immersion. You don't need to live in Spain to surround yourself with Spanish. Change your phone's language to Spanish. Follow Spanish-speaking creators on YouTube. Listen to Spanish podcasts while you do daily tasks. Put Spanish labels on objects around your house. These tiny environmental changes expose you to the language without requiring extra time. Number 5. Track your streak visually. Put a calendar on your wall. Mark an X on every day you do your Spanish practice, even if it's just 1 minute. After a few days, you'll have a chain. After a few weeks, you won't want to break it. The chain becomes its own motivation. Number 6. Combine input and output. Many learners only consume Spanish but never produce it. Input is essential, but output is where real fluency develops. From the very beginning, add small acts of output. Write 1 sentence in Spanish every day. Say 1 phrase out loud. Record yourself speaking for 30 seconds. These small acts force your brain to actively use what you're learning. Number 7. Embrace the boredom. Language learning is not exciting every day. There will be days when reviewing vocabulary feels dull. This is normal. The key is to keep showing up even when it's boring. Consistency, not intensity, is what produces fluency. I've been learning English for over 2 years now. I started with just 5 to 10 minutes of listening practice every day. 2 years later, I can understand most YouTube videos in English. I've started to speak in simple sentences. My level has improved to approximately B2. I'm not fluent yet, but I'm on my way, and I'm still doing my daily practice. The same approach works for Spanish or any language. Small, consistent, daily actions. Over time, they produce remarkable results. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. And if you want a practical guide to building habits that actually stick, my book 40 Atomic Habits for Online Success is available on Gumroad. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.